Got assets? Guard against theft by managing your asset inventory. Discover how to manage your company assets with asset tracking, asset tags, and other identification and ID tags. Don't miss this article on the blog at metalmarkermfg.com. It's titled, "What is Asset Tracking?" If you are trying to manage your assets and inventory without utilizing tags or labels, you are already behind the competition. Asset tracking using metal tags and labels is a surefire way to keep your organization running to the best of its abilities. Why should you use asset tracking? One, for inventory management. Inventory management is an important task for all organizations. You need to know where your inventory is supposed to be, where it is, and how it's being used and maintained, plus everything in between. By using asset tracking methods like barcode tagging, you have access to a ton of information. For example, how frequently something is used, location, remaining useful life, how well it's being utilized, etc. This information is perfect for inventory management as well as during internal and external audits. Asset tracking will significantly cut down on the amount of time employees have to spend manually tracking, as well as free up additional sources. On top of that, it will prevent misinformation, missed deadlines, delays, and worst of all, unhappy customers. Theft prevention. Utilizing asset tags can also save you from potential of theft, whether it is expensive machinery, tools, or product inventory. Things sometimes tend to disappear, especially when they're highly valuable, right? Since they will know resources are being tracked, would-be thieves will think twice before making off or taking off with any items. If theft does occur, you'll have the information you need to figure out what has happened. There are even specialized tamper-resistant decals that leave evidence if someone tries to remove them. By protecting and deterring theft, your business will be able to save from losses and root out any problems if they do occur. What do I need for asset tracking? I want to start asset tracking, but what do I need? How do you start? The very basic requirements for barcode tracking system includes computer software, scanning tools, and barcode tags. Software, let's talk about software. In order to set up the tracking system, you'll need a computer software that will manage everything, read and write information that is scanned, and create a record. There are many options for software for the industry and size of your organization. Along with the software, you need at least one scanning tool to log and scan tags. However, if you have a large operation with many departments, you may need multiple scanners. Okay, now you need barcode tags. Last but not least, you'll need barcode tags themselves. These can be made with either metal or plastic, depending on the environment and conditions they are to be used in. The most popular choices for barcode or QR tags or UPC style barcodes. You know, the stuff you see at the store, etc. Outside of traditional barcode tags, there are other high-tech tracking options. For example, NFC, RFID, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and even GPS tracking. These options might be necessary for some organizations, but come at a much steeper cost, making them unnecessary for most organizations. What type of tags are used for asset tracking? Barcode tags, metal photo tags, screen printing, paper tags, decals and labels, serialized asset tags, and metal ID and identification tags. For all your metal tag and ID tag needs, go to metalmarkermfg.com.